In this clip we're going to explore how information is presented to us in a Venn diagram. And here's a classic situation. So this was a survey of 50 people about who liked going to the cinema and who liked watching TV. Now you can see we've got our 4 regions that apply to this particular Venn diagram. Those that enjoy the cinema in this particular part of this region, those who like TV in this region. Remember here, where the circles overlap, it's where people like going to the cinema and watching TV, and that leaves us in the 4th region, people who don't like either of those options. Okay, now when we add the regions together on our Venn diagram, they should equal 50. And they do. Now, one of the things that we just have to be careful about though is when we actually start to analyse. So if I said how many people like watching, let's put here like TV, it's easy to jump to the conclusion, oh there it is, it's 17. But actually we've got to remember that in there are 14 people who also like watching TV. So in total, the people who like watching TV is not 17, it's actually 31. Similarly, we could say, well, how many people like going to the cinema? And again, it's easy to say, oh, well, it's 14, there it is. But don't forget, you've got a number of people in there that also like going to the cinema. So actually you've got to add those two together, which gives us a total of 28. And then how many people like both? Well, that's fairly clear for us. And then how many people like neither? Well, there we are. We've got that information as well. Now you'll notice actually if you add it up that way, it comes to significantly more than 50. So just be careful, make sure the regions always add up to 50, make sure when you're being asked to analyse what's going on that you don't forget that type of situation. Okay, and that's it for now.